Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Fuspower Smart Watch for Men, fitness tracker. And why you should buy choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. Large capacity and high quality construction. Our smartwatch delivers 1 month of continuous use with up to 150 days standby time. Furthermore, it boasts exceptional scratch, drop, and abrasion resistance, having passed rigorous tests for temperature, high altitude, low pressure, dust, salt spray, and liquid ingress protection, enabling reliable operation in harsh environments. The tactical watch supports both iOS and Android systems, and features a 1.96-inch 240x282 HD screen that delivers smooth, fluid display. LED flashlight lighting. Tired of fumbling in the dark for your phone? Our smartwatch features a built-in high-intensity LED flashlight on the side. Whether you're searching for keys under the sofa, navigating a dark hallway at night, or dealing with an unexpected power outage, a bright beam is always just a tap away on your wrist. It's a practical, game-changing tool for camping, night running, and daily emergencies that most smartwatches lack. 24/7 health monitoring. This smartwatch for Android phones is equipped with advanced optical sensors capable of continuously monitoring your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep quality, and more 24 hours a day. Exceptionally comfortable and lightweight to wear, it allows you to conveniently check various notifications while simultaneously monitoring your physical condition and reminding you to prioritize your health. It is an ideal waterproof smartwatch suitable for both men and women that is perfect for outdoor activities. Over 100 sports modes. Our fitness watches for men come with over 100 sports modes. With a professional 3ATM waterproof design, they support various sports like swimming, running, cycling, mountain climbing, yoga, skiing, soccer, and more activities. The fitness tracker watch can track your daily exercise data in real time, such as steps, time, distance, and calorie consumption. Connect to your phone via Bluetooth and use the accompanying app to record and save your exercise data in real time, helping you achieve your workout plans. Call/message reminder. This is a powerful smartwatch compatible with both iOS and Android, supporting Bluetooth calling and the real-time reception of various notifications. Equipped with an integrated noise-canceling speaker, it delivers exceptionally clear audio, ensuring smoother Bluetooth calls. Powered by the latest AB5682 watch chip, it features a smoother user interface and lower power consumption. Comfortable to wear and offering convenient, fast magnetic charging, this watch is the perfect choice for a teenager's very first smartwatch. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.